Okay, let's go to discuss the answers for this paper. This is 2019 Royal College second term test paper. Right. First, I am going to discuss the answers for the first 20 questions of part 1. The first question given, write the number of axes of symmetry in a rhombus. Do you remember the rhombus? It is the quadrilateral type. Rhombus mean like this shape. All sides are equal in length, but these angles are not right angles. Then how many symmetrical axes?
Two.
Such that coincide each edges. How many times you can fold? You can fold like this, no? Then you can coincide each side of this, either side of the axis, each edges. Then also you can fold like this. Then I drew, there are two symmetrical axes. Then another method, can you draw this one? Can't, no? So how many axes of symmetry? Your answer should be 2.
Two.
Can you tell me how many axes of symmetry of a square?
Four.
4. Square and what is the difference between square and rhombus?
The angle between the four sides is not equal in a rhombus.
No, rhombus all sides are equal. Angles are not right angles, okay? The one difference, only one difference between squares and rhombus. Square, all angles are right angle, but rhombus, all angles are not right angles. Right? What is the similarity? Both figures, all sides are equal. Right. Then let's go to the next question, number 2. Second question given, very easy one. 56.75 divide 1000. And the second part given, 0.765 multiply 100. Right. 10, 100,000. That means they are the powers of 10. Right? 10 to the power 1 is 10. 10 to the power 2 is 100. 10 to the power 3 is 1000. When you multiply a decimal number by power of a 10, that means 10, 100 or 1000, what you have to do, when you multiply it, you have to take this decimal point, how many places it is equal to the number of zeros of the multiples of 10. Right? Your right hand side you have to take. Api multiples of 10 wali multiply කරනකොට powers of 10 වලින් හරි powers of 10 වලින් multiply කරනකොට ඒ කියන්නේ 100 10 100,000 වලින් multiply කරනකොට ඒකේ තියෙන zeros ගන්නට සමාන ප්‍රමාණයක් මේ decimal point එක ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ දකුණු පැත්තට ගෙනියන්න. When you divide by powers of 10, what you have to do, this decimal point you have to take your left hand side, towards your left hand side. How many places it is equal to number of zeros of this power of 10. බෙදනකොට මොකද්ද කරන්නේ අපි තමන්ගේ වම් පැත්තට මේ decimal point එක මෙන්න මේ තියෙන zeros ගන්නට සමාන ප්‍රමාණයක් අරගෙන යන්න. Right. This one division, no? So how many places you have to take this one? 3 places toward your left hand side. Right. Now look at 1, 2, and another place you have to go. So another 0 we have to put before 5. So what is the answer for the first part? 0.0567. Here the decimal point, then we go 1, 2, 3. So you have to keep the decimal point here. right? Then next one, you have to multiply by 100. When you multiply, you have to take this decimal point to your right hand side. How many places? 2 places. 1, 2. So what is the answer? 76.5. 76.5. Right? They are the answers for the second question. Right? Are you clear this one? Right. Also, the theory class I discussed with you, right? More things, more questions. Right. Then next one, look at number 3. Third one given -4 plus -2 using the number line. You have to find the value. Right. You have to start this journey from 0. Right? First directed number is -4, no? So from 0 to negative direction, 4 places, first you have to move. Right? From 0, 4 places towards negative direction, first you have to move. Right? Then also you have to represent the moving direction using an arrowhead. This is -4. Right? Then the next directed number, -2. Right? Then from this position, you have to move negative direction another 2 places. හරි දැන් ඉන්න තැන ඉඳලා negative direction එකට 2 places move වෙන්න ඕන. හරි එහෙනම් මෙතන ඉඳලා negative කියන්නේ මේ පැත්තනේ. එහෙනම් මොකද වෙන්න ඕන? 1 2 මෙන්න මෙතනට move වෙන්න ඕනනේ. Right. Then look at this is -2. Okay. Then what you have to do? You check what is the initial position of this journey, what is the ending position of this journey. Initial position here, ending position here. You join initial and ending position. Then what is the moving direction? This direction. How many total places moving? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Which direction? Negative direction. So what is the answer? -6. Right? It is the method to find the simplification of directed numbers, addition of the directed numbers using a number line. Also, we discussed how you can find the answer without using the number line. Okay. Right. Fourth question, look at. Write down 16 as a power of 2. 16 you have to write as power of 2. That means base should be 2. Then what you have to do? 16 you have to divide by 2 until receive the remainder 1. 16 we can divide by 2. 8. 8 divide 2. 4. 4 divide 2. 2. 2 divide 2. 1. Then 16 you can write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Right? This is the expanded form. Then index form you can write of this one. How you can write? 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4. Right? It is the fourth question. Then let's go to the fifth question. Okay, quickly you can note down any needed things. Fifth question, look at. Write down the expression x multiply x multiply x multiply y multiply y in index notation. This is the expanded form. Index notation you have to use. Now look at how many x? 1 2 3. So this one you can write as a power x to the power 3 multiply how many y's? 1, 2. Y to the power 2. Also, if you want, this is the answer. If you want this answer, you can write without using the multiplication sign between these two powers. It is also correct. Right. Number 6. Look at the sixth question given. The mass of a packet of milk powder is 0.4 kilogram. 0.4 kilograms. Find the mass of such 6 packets. What is the mathematical operation you have to use? Multiplication. No, these two you have to multiply. Right, now look at decimal multiplication. 6 times 4, 24, remaining 2. 6 times 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2. Then finally, you have to keep one decimal place. That means before the last digit, you have to keep the decimal point. So what is the answer? 2.4 kilograms. 2.4 kilograms. Right. Number 7. 1 over 2 and another fraction given 3 over 5. You have to compare less than or greater than, no? Right. If you want to compare the two fractions, you have to do equal numerators or denominators. I'm going to equal these two denominators. So what you can do, you find the LCM of these two denominators, right? What is the LCM of 2 and 5? 2 times 5, 10. Right? So I can convert these two fractions as denominator 10. So the first fraction you have to multiply by 5, no? Both numerator and denominator. So 1 times 5, 5. Second fraction we have to multiply by 2. 3 times 2, 6. If the denominators are equal of the fraction, the larger fraction should be having the larger numerator. Okay. So what is the larger numerator? 6. That means 3 over 5 is the larger fraction. So you have to open the mouth towards 3 over 5 of the inequality sign. Right. Do you remember this one? What is the larger fraction?
3 or 2 or 3?
2 over 3. Why? If numerators are equal of the two fractions, the larger fraction should be having smaller denominator. Right? Number 8. If 7 liters 200 milliliters of milk is poured equally into 4 bottles, find the amount of milk in one bottle. Which mathematical operation you have to use?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. This is the total volume. Then this
Division.
total volume we have to put
Division.
equally
Division.
to 4 bottles, no? Division. This one you have to divide by 4. You can use the long division method, no? Right? Liters, milliliters, 7, 200, divide by 4. 7 divide 4, 1. 1 times 4, 4. Remaining 3. Convert into milliliters. 3000. 3200 total milliliters. Then 32 divide 4, 8. And 2 zeros you have to put. So what is the answer? 1 liter and 200 milliliters. Right. Next one, look at number 9. Is the year 1900 is a leap year? Give reason to your answer. Can you tell me this year is a leap year or not a leap year? How you can check the leap years? කොහොමද check කරන්නේ leap year එක?
By multiply by 4.
By multiplying 4.
By 200. Dividing by 400 if there are 2 zeros at the end.
If this year is divisible by 4, it should be a
400.
leap year. That means last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. But another point you have to remember, the year last 2 digits are 00. This year should be divisible by 400. Then it should be a leap year. Divisible by 400 means first 2 digits should be divided by 4. Right? If you want, you can check. This one is divisible by 400. These two cancel. That means first 2 digits you have to divide by 4. Can you divide 19 by 4 without remainder? Can't.
No.
So it is not a leap year. The reason you can write, we can't divide 1900 by 400
Without getting any remainder.
without remainder. අපිට පුළුවන් 400 වලින් divide කරන්න නේද? හැබැයි remainder එකක් එනවා. අර without remainder කියලාත් ලියන්න. Okay, it is the checking method. Number 10. The 10th one given, the length and breadth of a book 25 centimeters and 18 centimeters and 3 millimeters respectively. How much the length is longer than its breadth? What you have to do? You have to subtract. No? Breadth you have to subtract from length. So we can write the measurement centimeters and millimeters. Length is 25 centimeters. Breadth is 18 centimeters and 3 millimeters. 25 centimeters you can write, if you want, millimeters as 0. It is useful to subtract. Then you can subtract. We can't subtract these two, no. So you have to take 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter means 10 millimeters. 10 minus 3, 7. Here should be 24. 24 minus 18, 6. So the answer, 6 centimeters, 7 millimeters. What you can say about first 10 questions? Is difficult?
No.
No, easy. Right. Number 11, look at. Underline the correct answers. Also, the previous papers I discussed with you convex, concave, no, and also the names of the pentagon, names of the polygon related the number of sides. Right. What is this? The diagram shows a convex, concave. What is this one? Convex or concave? It should be con. මම help එකක් කරා con එක දුන්නා. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තියෙන ඉතිරි ටික. අමාරු ටික මම කරා. හරි. Con what? Con what? හරි. මේ බලන්න හැම vertex එකම එළියට නේද ගිහිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් එළියට ගියා නම් මොනවද අපි ඒවට කියන්නේ? Convex. Right? Convex. Underline the correct answer. So this one convex. Regular. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Pentagon mean 5 sides. Hexagon mean 6 sides. 7 sides. Heptagon. 8 sides. Octagon. 9 sides. Nonagon. 10 sides. Decagon. Right. Number 12. 12th question. Find the value of a plus 3b if a equal to b equal 5. A equal to b equal 5. You have to substitute. Right? Now look at how you can get the answer. A 2 plus 3b. 3b mean 3 multiply b. b is 5. Now you can follow the BODMAS rule. Addition, multiplication. First you have to do multiplication. So these two you have to multiply. 2 add 15. Answer 17. Right, then let's go to the next part, number 13, question number 13. Find the area of square-shaped classroom if the perimeter is 40 centimeters. Okay, perimeter given, you have to find the area. The shape of this classroom is square shape. Right, can you tell me if the perimeter is 40 centimeters, what is the side length of this classroom? Side length. Perimeter is 40. Perimeter mean sum of the bounded sides. No, there are 4 bounded sides. They are equal. So side length should be 40 divide 4. That means 10 centimeters. Right? Then area is length multiply breadth. So length is 10 centimeters. Breadth is 10 centimeters. 10 multiply 10, 100 square centimeters. Right? It is the finding method of the area.
Sir,
Yes.
for the 13th question, if have written the answer only 100 centimeter, is it correct without writing the square centimeter?
Incorrect. Then you can get only 1 mark. Okay, because the unit of the area is, you have to put square centimeters.
Okay, sir.
length එකක් දුන්නා නම් centimeters කියලා ලිව්වට අවුලක් නැහැ. හරි. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම area එකක් නම් square කියන එක මතක තියාගන්න. volume එකක් නම් cube කියන එක මතක තියාගන්න. හරි. cubic. Right. Number 14. The trapezium given. Write down an algebraic expression for the perimeter of given figure. Right. 14th one given. Perimeter. Perimeter means sum of the bounded sides. No, there are 4 bounded sides you can see. What are the lengths? 2x, y, 3x, 2y. We have to add these. 2x plus y plus 3x plus 2y. It is not the trapezium, okay? It is a quadrilateral. Right. Then how you can find the answer? You have to simplify this one. Like terms you can simplify. What are the like terms? 2x, 3x, y and 2y. If you want like terms, you can write nearly. I changed only the positions. 2x plus 3x. The answer is 5x. Y plus 2y. The answer is 3y. So what is the expression for the perimeter? 5x plus 3y. Right. Question number 15. Now we can go to discuss. Fifteen question given. The price of a pencil X rupees less than the price of a pen. Right? Can you understand? The price of a pencil is X rupees less than the price of a pen. හරි? පෑන් එක මිලට වඩා රුපියල් X කියලා ප්‍රමාණයක් අඩුයිලු pencil එකේ price එක. If the price of a pen is P rupees, write down an algebraic expression for price of 3 such pencils. First you can write the price of one pencil. හරි දැන් එක pencil එක මිල දන්නව නම් 3ක හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් නේ multiply by 3. Right. So first you write what is the price of a pencil. What is the price of a pencil? How you can write as an algebraic expression? X rupees less than price of a pen. Price of a pen is P. So how you can write? P less than means subtract, no, minus. P minus X. P minus X. X rupees less than price of the pen. Price of the pen is P. හරිද පැහැදිලිද හැමෝටම? හරි. X less than P. This is the price of one pencil. Then you have to write the price of 3 pencils. Then what you have to do? This one you have to multiply by 3. So what is the answer? 3 bracket P minus X rupees. Right? Are you clear? Can you understand it? Right? Less you have to use subtract, minus. More you have to use addition. Right? Twice, 3 times you have to use multiplication. ඒ word එක කරන විදිය මතක තියාගන්න. Right, then let's go to the next one, number 16. Find the values. There are 2 parts given. First part given 12 plus 4 divide 2, and the second part given 45 minus 15 multiply 3. Right. Can you tell me, we have to follow the what math rule? No? For the first part. First, you have to do which mathematical operation? Division, no? Right? According to the what math rule. So you have to divide these two. That means 12 add 4 divide 2. 2. 12 plus 2, 14. Next one, subtraction and multiplication given. According to the BODMAS rule, first you have to do the multiplication. So these two first you multiply. 45 subtract 15 multiply 3. What is the answer? 15 multiply 3? 45. Then what is the answer? 45 subtract 45. 0. Right? 0. So the answer is 0. It is the 16th question. Right, then I'm going to the next one, number 17. The 17th question given is the number 4897. 4897 is divisible by 3. Give reasons. How you can determine the number is divisible by 3? What you have to find?
We have to find the digital root.
We have to find the digital root, no? Divide කරලා බලන්න ඕනද? නෑ ඒක කරන්න එපා. හරි. එහෙම කරලා බලන්න. ඒතර marks හම්බෙන්නේ නෑ. Right. First you have to find the digital root, right? So digital root is 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7. That means 12, 21, 28. 28 has 2 digits, so again you have to add 2 and 8. 10. 10 mean 1 and 0, 1. Digital root is 1. So what is your conclusion? It is not divisible by 3. If a number is divisible by 3, the digital root should be 3, 6 or 9. Right? Then you can write not divisible. Then also reason you have right now. Digital root you can find 1. Right? So you can write because digital root is not divisible by 3. It is the reason.
Sir,
Yes.
for the reason, can we write the digital root?
Sorry.
So, for the reason, can we write the digital root?
There are two answers you have to write. First you have to write not divisible. Then reason you have to explain, no. Then you write down. If you want, you can write digital root finding method. Right? If else, you have to write digital root is not divisible by 3. Right? It is more suitable. You write down digital root is 1. It is not divisible by 3. It is better. Right. Then let's go to number 18. 18th question given set capital P prime numbers less than 20. Represent the set P by Venn diagram and write the number of elements of it. Also, there are two answers you have to write. Okay. Right. Venn diagram, do you remember? First, you have to draw the closed plane figure. No? Then also you can name it as capital P. It is the name of the set. Then inside this closed plane figure, you have to write prime numbers less than 20. Right. What are the prime numbers less than 20? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. right? They are the prime numbers less than 20. It is one answer. Then another question asks, how many elements of it? So how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements. Right. Another two questions remaining of this first part in the videos. Right. Number 19, fill in the empty cages. The first one given -5 and -8 half, 8 and half. Right. Negative and negative numbers. No. When you add same signs directed numbers, what is the answer sign? Same sign. Negative, negative addition, negative, positive, positive addition, positive. So this one answer should be negative. What you have to do? These two add or subtract. Same signs addition, you have to add two magnitudes. Right. 5 add 8 and half. What is the answer? What is the answer?
13 and half. Negative
13 and half. No. මේ half එක පැත්තකින් තියලා 5 8 add කරගන්න 13. තොර half එක දැන් ගන්න ළඟට 13 and half minus 13 1 over 2. Right. Next one. This one positive, this one negative. When you add positive and negative numbers, different signs directed numbers, answer sign should be large magnitude sign. No? So what is the large magnitude? 3.5 or 0.6? Compare the whole numbers 3 and 0. What is the larger one? 3.5. So its sign is positive. So this one answer should be positive. Then how you can get the magnitude? Different signs addition. You have to subtract two magnitudes. That means 3.5 and 0.6 you have to subtract. First you keep the decimal correct position. Then 15 minus 6, 9, and here 2. The answer is 2.9.
So we have to add the second one, no?
No, different types of the signs. This is addition given. This is addition. Hari question එකේ දීලා තියෙන addition. But these are the directed numbers. Okay. So when you add the different types of the signs of directed numbers, what you have to do? Two magnitudes you have to subtract. Right? අර වැඩි එකෙන් අඩු එක අඩු කරන්නයි තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? හරි. මෙතන subtraction නෙවෙයි දෙන්න ඕන. හරි. මේ theory එකක් කරානේ නේ. අන්න ඒක theory එක මතක් කරගන්න. හරි. same signs add කරනකොට answer එකේ magnitude එක ගන්න මේ දෙක add කරනවා. different signs add කරනකොට answer එකේ magnitude එක ගන්න මේ දෙක subtract කරනවා. Right? Number 20. The bell ring at interval of 18 minutes, 24 minutes, and 36 minutes respectively. ඕන bells තුනක් තියෙනවා. එක bell එකක් විනාඩි 18න් 18ට ring වෙනවා. අනිත් එක විනාඩි 24න් 24ට ring වෙනවා. අනිත් එක 36න් 36ට ring වෙනවා. If 3 bells ring together at 8 AM, මෙන්න මේ තුනම ring වුණා එකපාරට 8 AM, then at what time will they ring together again? එහෙනම් ආයමත් එකම පාරට මේ තුනම ring වෙන්නේ කීයටද කියලා අහන්න. හරි. එතකොට ඔය වගේ questions වලදී අපි මොකද use කරගන්න ඕන? You have to find what LCM, no? Right? Least common multiple of these three. Right? Right. How you can find the least common multiple? There are two methods. I will use the division method. You can divide by 2, 9, 12, 18. Divide 2, 9, 6, 9. Divide 2, 9, 3, 9. Now we can divide by 3. 3, 1, 3. Divide 3, 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM? 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 2, 18. 18 times 2, 36. 36 times 2, 72. Right? එහෙනම් මේ තුනම එකපාරට ring වෙන්න කොච්චර වෙලාවක් යනවද ආයිමත් 72 මොනවද යන්නේ minutes මේ minutes වලින් ඉන්න ගත්තනේ 72 minutes right
1 hour and 12 minutes.
yes 72 minutes mean 1 hour equal 60 minutes, no? That mean 1 hour and 12 minutes. හරි එහෙනම් මේ දෙක එකම පාරට ring වෙනවා හැම පැය 1යි විනාඩි 12කටම පාරක්. හරි පැය විනාඩි 12ක් ගියපු තැන මේ තුනම එකට ring වෙනවා. හරි එහෙනම් next time at which time they will ring? At 9:12 a.m. Okay, this is the finding method. Are you clear? හරි ඔව ගැන හරිද ඔය කුරුල්ලෝ තුන් දෙනෙක් කෑ ගහනවා කියාවි නේද ඊට පස්සේ ගන් තුනකින් ෆයර් කරනවා කියාවිනේ හරි ඊට පස්සේ මේ වගේ බෙල් රින් වෙනවා කියාවි මොනවද දුන්නත් ඉතින් ඔය දෙක තමයි කරන්නේ LCM හොයන්න right they are the first part 20 questions answers right not difficult, no? Easy. You have to try for your term test to get 40 out of 40 for the first part. 40න් 40ම ගන්න try කරන්න ඕනේ. බැරිම වුණොත් එකක් වගේ වැරදුනට ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. පුළුවන් තරම් 40න් 40ම ගන්න try කරන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට අපිට second part එක ගැටලුවක් නැතුව නේද? right පොඩි mistakes උනත් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට 90 95 මට්ටමට ලකුණු ගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? right